summary? Just 5. Okay. I'm just going to stick with 5. Thank you. So I'm just on 5. So what I was doing here was that this problem had way too many fractions. That's what I was saying. And so what I needed to do is eliminate the fractions. I said, well, how am I going to eliminate the fraction? I wanted to find the LCD, or the LCM of my denominators. So what I did was I listed out the multiples of each and every denominator. And what I was doing is I was trying to find the smallest number that they all shared in common. That would be our least common multiple. And I couldn't find one. And obviously you could keep on going on and on and on. But then what I kind of worked into is a trick that you can always do to find a common denominator, or a common multiple is just to multiply them. So I just multiplied 2 times 5 times 3, and that gave me 30. Now, again, that's not always going to be the case. Sometimes they do have a common multiple that is smaller than their product. But in this case, that did not work. So confused on number 2. Well, Ian, if you can ask me a question, I will go back to number 2. So what I did is I just multiplied them, and that gave me 30. Then again, just kind of like I talked about distributive property, I'm going to take 30 and multiply it times every single term. And so 30 times 1/2 x is 15x. 30 times 3/5 is 18. 30 times 4x is 120x. And 30 times negative 2/3 is going to be a negative 20. Okay. So now you can see that I have 120x minus 20x, and those are like terms. So I have 15x plus 18 equals, and that gives me 100x. Then again, now we just really want to work to getting our variable on the same side. So I'm going to subtract a 15x. Oops. Okay, and I get 18 is going to equal a 85x. And then I will just divide by 85 on both sides. Oh, I forgot I have one more question. X equals